Well, we're going to try and start up the beast. Hasn't been started in probably, I think it's 5 months now. Ever since my last cold start video of it. It's about 29 degrees out now. Hope none of the diesel's gelled up because it's got number 2 diesel in it. Never got no additive or anything. That's why I never did anything with this winter. I opened it up, checked all the fluids. Nothing leaked out. Found out that tire there was completely flat, almost sitting on the rim. So I'm glad I came out and I caught that when I did. But we're going to go in her now and fire it up. I get used to this again. We'll cycle them twice. Okay, full throttle. Yeah. We'll try it one more time. Otherwise, we'll just leave her for now. Nope, it might even have gelled fuel. We'll just leave it be for now. Well, round 2. It's about a week later. And I don't have my light this time. Full throttle. Glow plug it one more. And there we go. Little rough, but not bad. Remember, that had been sitting 5 months. And here she be. It's probably about 40 degrees out today, I believe. Listen to her purr. This thing actually is straight pipe because the exhaust is shot on it. Isn't she beautiful? I'll show you this a little closer than I did last time. This is the flatbed. It's got a hitch for a gooseneck, but the thing is, when my grandpa built this is extra long. This is, I believe, like a 9-foot bed. And the problem is, I believe only this gooseneck that he also built will fit on here. He actually modified the trailer and made it a little longer to work because he made the bed so long. It just barely clears by here, probably that far. But keep her covered up with a tarp when it's sitting. We'll let it idle for a while, charge up them batteries. I'll still put the charger on it anyways though. And we got the charger here. And if anybody wants to know, the reason I'm going to charge it and not just run it, it takes 20 minutes of a vehicle running on a road to fully recharge batteries after starting. And that's just a gas vehicle. That's not a diesel that takes a lot of juice to start them. So maybe we'll get a little revage. Make sure that aspect's all fine. Open up the window. Well, that should be good enough. Off she goes.